Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at these VitaCup Genius Boost Energy and Focus Instant Coffee Sticks. As you can see, there are 24 single serve sticks in here. It's super easy because each coffee is contained within this and you just mix it with hot or cold water. As you can hear, it's in there and it looks just like the picture. So you basically just rip it open. You can pack these on trips. You can put these inside your car. Basically anywhere you are, if you have a water bottle, you're good to go. MCT oil, turmeric, and vitamins. So you get lots of essential ingredients there. And I really just like how it's packaged, super clean, super easy to use for anyone if you're familiar with coffee or if you're not. Look at the back here, it just tells you how to use it. It tells you the significance of each of the ingredients. And then there's the nutrition facts. As you can see, quite a bit of B12 and then a good amount of the other B's and the D's. And then basically it tells you how to use it. Overall, super easy, and I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.